Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on this Seagate Barracuda 7200.11 1.5 terabyte hard drive that belongs to a customer locally here in Quincy, Massachusetts. We are Massachusetts based, and so the customer found us online, filled out a form, and then they got in touch with us to help recovering the files. This drive originally was in an external enclosure. The customer had it for years, and they put it away in a drawer, and one day they would have contacted a data recovery company for help. They finally did last week. We got the drive in. What happens is the drive doesn't spin smoothly. It has issues, and so we open the drive in a clean room environment, like you can see here. Let me show you the clean room. This is the clean room right here. We turn it on. And we go in here and inspect and do the mechanical work. And so after inspection, we realize that there is a disc there's this damage along the edge here of the drive. That indicates that the drive actually sustained some kind of physical shock, which confirms the issue. Now, in turn, that caused motor kind of damage, where the shock kind of like bent the little internal hub that the discs are sitting on, and so because of that there are issues with the drive spinning correctly and working correctly. And so with this type of issues, there's a couple ways to deal with this. One, depending on what kind of damage it is, you can use a hot air station kind of set up here with the hot air gun to heat up the motor. The metal would expand, and that will help the disc spinning. However, in this particular case, the way the damage works, heat is not helping. What however helps is cooling the disc. So we use freeze spray. Let me show you here. Freeze spray to basically apply it to the motor so that the metal contracts and allows the disc hub spindle to spin freely. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, so what we did here, we applied the freeze spray just like I showed you. Every now and then, every few minutes, we have to apply it because the drive is getting hot, and so we have to cool it off so the motor can spin. And here's the drive. As you can see, it's initialized correctly, and now we are cloning the customer's photos, which is what the critical files are. This one also, this Surface 1 has some issues. It's not running quite smoothly. All the other surfaces, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are okay, but Surface 1 has some issues. If you need help, just go to datarecoveryguru.com, click on Let's Start with a Free Diagnosis, fill out the form, and be in touch with us shortly after. If you have questions, call, text, WhatsApp, or Signal at this number. Thank you.